Introducing Data Analysis with Microsoft Excel from Beginner to Pro. Hello, my name is Jerry Poland, lead instructor at Lemiriastro Learning. I'm an IBM certified data analyst with over 6 years of hands-on experience in data analysis and teaching. Many people know the basics of Excel but struggle to analyze data properly, to create meaningful reports, or make data-driven decisions. In this course, I'll take you step by step through Excel for data analysis. It doesn't matter whether you're a total beginner or an advanced Excel user. You're going to start with the fundamentals of Microsoft Excel. It's perfect for those with no prior experience. Then you're going to move into real data analysis skills. You learn how to clean, prepare, manipulate, and transform data using tools like conditional formatting, data validation, flash fill, advanced sorting and filtering, tables, and pivot tables. You also master advanced functional formulas including logical and lookup functions such as VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match, and analyze data using powerful tools like word analysis, data analysis toolpath, Power Query, and Power Pivot, all while creating clear, beautiful, professional reports and visualizations. So this course is practical, beginner friendly, and focused on real world data analysis. You complete one real life project and four bonus portfolio projects. Each section includes a quiz, there's a final examination that covers everything you've learned. You're also going to receive a certificate of completion at the very end of the course. So whether you're a student, professional, business owner, or an aspiring data analyst, this course is designed to give you confidence and job-ready Excel skills. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and let's turn Excel into a powerful data analysis tool for you. I'm going to see you inside the course.